straight. Chin and palms in front of the chest. Take a deep breath in, chant Omkara beautifully. Exhale, bend forward, step forward, flow, simply Mother Earth Master. Inhale, return. Raise your hands, open your eyes with gentle wings. Namaste. Come to standing position. Vinyasa Swaraj Plan. Come to Tadasana position. Inhale with your hands by the sides. Vinyasa A. Exhale. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, stretch. Hips tight. Exhale. Look at your navel. Breathe slowly. Breathe slowly 5 times. Spread your fingers. Inhale, jump forward. Look up. Exhale. Inhale, lift your hands to the side. Stretch. Exhale, drop your hands. Second round, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, lift your head up. Breathe out, walk or jump. Breathe in, stretch. Stretch your right arm tight. Breathe out. Breathe in, jump. Breathe out. Breathe in, lift your hands. Breathe out. Now, ekam, dvi, treni, chatwari, jump back. Pancha, hips tight, Shaka, सप्त अष्टो नव पोजिशन स्थिति फोर्थ राउंड एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट् 500 सप्त अष्टो नव स्थिति लास्ट राउंड एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट् सप्त अष्टो नव पोजिशन विन्यास भी एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट् लेफ्ट hand right leg forward सप्त अष्टो डाउन नव दश राइट hand left leg forward एकादश द्वादश बैक टू चतुरंग त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश स्थिति एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि पंच षट् left and right leg forward सप्त अष्टो नव दश एकादश left leg forward द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश with your breath watch your neighbor पंचदश षोडश सप्तदश स्थिति 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 right leg forward 8 back to chaturanga 9 10 11 left leg forward 12 back to chaturanga 13 14 breathe slow 15 16 17 स्थिति फोर्थ राउंड एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि वापस जंप इज डिफिकल्ट पंच षड सप्त राइट लेग 90 डिग्री अष्टो नव दश एकादश लेफ्ट लेग 90 डिग्री द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश If you feel strain, bend your knee and touch your forehead. Rapid pose rest. Breathe 5 times. Rapid pose. But keep your hands forward. You can connect to the next hands very easily. Now Panchadasha, jump. षोडश सप्तदश पोजीशन लास्ट राउंड एकम द्वि त्रीणि चत्वारि जंप और वॉक ट्वाइस पंच हिप स्टार्ट षड सप्त राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड राइट chin 90 डिग्री अष्टो नव दश एकादश लेफ्ट द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश You can bend your knee and take rest. It's difficult to stay. पंचदश जंप षोडश सप्तदश स्थिति ताड़ासना watch your breath keep your hands free keep breathing finishing sequence. Just lie down on the back. Keep your head towards me. Feet together. Now slowly bend your legs. Setu Bandhasana, easy one. Not difficult one. Separate your foot. Palms by the sides. Heels close to your hip. Now breathe in, lift your legs up. Gradually push. Keep your palms facing down. Keep your feet parallel to each other. And press evenly. 50% right, 50% left. Hold it and breathe for 5 breaths. Continue Ujjayi breathing. Continue Ujjayi breathing. Slow and steady breathing. Now breathe out, drop down. Now sit and take vinyasa or do chakrasana and vinyasa. Chakrasana vinyasa or sit and take vinyasa, your choice. Try. If difficult, sit and take vinyasa. Breathe out, jump back to chaturanga. Breathe out, jump back to chaturanga or chakrasana vinyasa. Forcefully, slowly try. Yes, slowly. Chaturanga, complete. Finish again, lie down. Lie down on the back. Lie down on the back. Yes. Now Chakrasana practice. If you feel difficult to do Chakrasana, then repeat. You can repeat Setu Bandhasana once again. Otherwise, bend your legs, keep your palms under the shoulder. Urdhva Mukha Dhanurasana or Chakrasana. Feet parallel to each other, palms and feet parallel to each other. So 5 breaths. You can apply Mula Baddha. Focus in between eyebrow. Drishti. So breathe in, lift up, and hold it for 5 breaths. Hold it for 5 breaths. Don't go. 5 deep breaths. If you feel difficult, just go for Setu Bandhasana. After 5 breaths, you can go down. Breathe out, go down. Just stay there. Normalize your breath. Totally you have to do 3 times. Slowly normalize your breath. Be ready for second round. Second round. Palms under the shoulder. Breathe in, lift up. Keep your foot parallel to each other. Breathe in, lift up. Spread your fingers properly. After 5 breaths, exhale. Shoulder, then buttocks. Normalize your breath. Be ready for third round. Be ready now for third round. Palms under your shoulder. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe in, lift up. Inhale. Keep your hips tight. Keep your hips tight and locked. Keep your body weight on the palm and foot. 5 deep breath. Then slowly exhale down. Shoulder first, lift the head, then shoulder, touch your shoulder. Lift your head down, then buttocks. Now slowly grab your thighs and rocking practice. Wind releasing technique, rocking practice. So breathe out, breathe in towards foot, breathe out towards the head. 15 times. Keep your chin close to your knee. Towards your foot, breathe in. And towards your head, breathe out. 15 times. Massage your spine. If you feel the water is hitting, you have to keep another mat. Or just try to manage. Now slowly face towards me and sit. Breathe in, sit now. Face towards me, sit. Get the Paschimottanasana now. Keep leg straight. Hold your big toe, breathe in, look up. Hold your big toe, breathe in, look up. And breathe out, apply Mula Bandha. And for the anus below the navel, just contract in and slowly back. Not too much push. Go from your lower back. Apply Mula Bandha strongly. That gives relief. Put the big toe properly. Now one more time, breathe in, look up. And breathe out, further down. Slowly. Now breathe in, lift your head up and be ready for Vinyasa, and breathe out, jump back. Breathe out, Chaturanga. Now breathe in, raise the chest, hips tight, and breathe out. Now from here, slowly breathe in, jump and sit in diamond pose, Vajrasana. Breathe in, sit in diamond pose. Sit in diamond pose, Vajrasana. Normalize your breath. And slowly do a headstand. Slowly fold your mat into 3 layers. If difficult to do, you can go for dolphin stretch. Interlocking fingers. Breathe out and breathe in 5 times or 10 times. Then take rest. Otherwise, do Sirsasana with the help of wall support or without wall support. Slowly try. If difficult to do, you can just do half. Slowly, lift one hand. That's good. And another leg slowly. That's good. That's good. Good. inside. Abdomen inside. Keep abdomen inside. That's fine. Don't move it. Once you've completed 9 to 25 breaths, exhale, come down, take rest in rapid pose. Come down and take rest in rapid pose. Keep your big toes together, rapid pose. Palms by the sides. Relax your neck. Breathe attention. Slow and steady breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Watch your breath carefully. Slow and steady breathing. Be ready to take vinyasa. Sit in rabbit pose. So from here, exhale, jump back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, stretch, and exhale. Now inhale, jump through your hand or cross your leg and sit, your choice. Which is comfortable, that one. Now exhale, lie down on your back. So be away from the wall and lie down on your back. So we did small twist here. Headstand first, shoulder stand next. Just to balance your body. Usually in the vinyasa, shoulder stand will come first, headstand will come next. So just watch your breath in the Shavasana position. Watch your breath in the Shavasana position. Keep your palms, separate your legs, keep your palms facing up. Just normalize your breath before lifting your body. Before going to headstand, you have to watch your breath in the Vajrasana. Before going to Sarvangasana, you have to watch your breath in Shavasana. Separate your foot. Separate. Now slowly keep your foot together. Breathe in. Lift your legs up to the 90 degree. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Hold your waist and lift to the 90 degree. Stand on your shoulder. Try to grab your trunk. Breathe slowly. So try to hold the last grip of the rib cage. You can breathe up to 25 breaths. Slow breathing. Now breathe out slowly, halasana. Slowly go. If difficult to do halasana, just you can bend your knee, touch your knee to the shoulder. If you are close to wall, try to go away from the wall. You can interlock your fingers behind, or you can hold your tongue, your choice. Sthiram Sukham Asana. Make your posture stable and comfort. Don't push too much. Comfortable posture. You can stretch your ankle also. Now breathe out, bend your knees. Karna Pidasana. Interlock the fingers, keep as it is. Press your inner thigh to the ear. Press your inner thigh to the ear. Karna Pidasana. Karna is here. Pidana. Pressure to the ear. Stretch it. Now slowly breathe in, lift your legs up to the 90 degree again, and try to do lotus pose if possible. Try to do lotus pose and hold your knee. Padmasarangasana. Lift up slowly. If difficult to hold your knees, you just hold your waist. Now breathe out slowly, bring your Padmasana to the forehead. Pindasana. You can hold your waist or you can grab around your thighs. Now with a long breath, with cross leg or with Padmasana, breathe in, lower your buttocks. So breathe in, lower your buttocks. Slowly or cross your legs. Do fish pose, full fish pose. So breathe in, lift. Cross your legs and come back. No dropping down. Once you from there, lower the legs. Slowly lower the legs. Lower the legs. And come down. Now go fish pose, full fish pose. So breathe in, breathe out. Buttocks down, full fish pose, Matsyasana. If difficult to do with Padmasana, if you feel too much for the knee, so you can do it cross leg. Now slowly release your leg, Uttana Padasana. Inhale, now exhale, stretch. Lift your legs, lift your hand. Lift your legs and lift your hand. Do Namaskara Mudra. Join your palms. Exhale, release. Release your leg, release your hand. Now slowly sit and take vinyasa or chakrasana vinyasa. Release your head. You can take chakrasana vinyasa once again or sit and take vinyasa. Chaturanga dandasana. Exhale, jump back. Exhale, jump back. Or sit and take vinyasa. Exhale. Inhale, sit. Now do slowly lotus pose. Slowly do lotus pose. If anybody feel difficult to do lotus, just do butterfly preparation. If difficult to do lotus, just go for preparation, butterfly. Otherwise you can do half or full lotus. Go straight, continue. Slowly mudra in your hand. And slowly hold your hand behind. If possible, hold your big toes. Hold the big toes both the side, or you can hold your elbow behind. Your choice. If difficult to reach your toe. Now breathe in, breathe out, bend forward. Yoga mudra. Be careful, don't push too much. If possible, touch the forehead, the nose, then chin, step by step. No pushing too much. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in, return. Release the hand. Chin mudra. Now slowly apply Mula Bandha and Jalandhara Bandha and Mula Bandha. Slowly apply Jalandhara Bandha. Take Mayura Mudra, then lock. Then apply Mula Bandha. Breathe from the chest, Ujjayi breathing. Around 25 times. Deep breathing. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Slow and deep. Keep your spine straight. Lower back curve. Release your Mula Bandha. Then chin lock, Jalandhara Bandha. Now keep your palms by the sides. Utplutti. Slowly. Inhale with strong Mula Bandha. Inhale, lift your Padmasana up. And bring your knees towards your armpit. Look straight forward. Hold it for as long as you can. 5 breaths to 25 breaths. Exhale, release and release your Padmasana. And jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana, Vinyasa. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, sit with crossed leg or clasped hand. Exhale, lie down on your spine. Slowly lie down. Take rest now. Shavasana. Keep your head each other, facing each other. Slowly lie down. Separate your foot. Pass to the sides. Back bone spread. Relax your shoulder. Watch your breath. Have a nice rest. Scan your body, throughout your body from toes to crown of your head. Let go all the tightness. Send energy to the weak part. Make all your parts of the body free from tension and strong. Slowly try to make your body stable with the dead body expressions. No impressions in the mind, especially worries. And no movements in the physical body. Just enjoy the flow of your breath. The universal vital energy is going into the system and going out. Watch the rhythm of your breathing. Beautiful respiration. Sending all the energy, we're distributing our main prana in terms of 5 pranas to each and every part of the body. Watch your breath carefully without much more effort. Let your respiration maintain in its own way. Try to withdraw all the effort from your side. Let your lungs get normal breathing rate. Feel the beautiful energy flow. The flow of nerve currents. The energy flow in all the channels. Slowly rest your lower part of the body below the navel. Release all the tightness. Chant Asam beautifully. And feel the vibration in the abdomen area. And feel the rest of each and every part of the legs. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth. Chant Asam. Rest each and every part of the middle of your body, above the navel, below the chin, release the tightness. Slowly take a deep breath in, chant Usam beautifully, enjoy the vibration in the chest. Inhale, make your lips round shape, chant Usam. Skull, relax your facial muscles, relax your eyes, forehead, cheeks and chin. Close your lips, chant immerse sound beautifully, enjoy the vibration in the head. Relax your whole body from toes to crown of the head, each and every joints and muscles. Lower body, middle body and upper body. Just unite all the parts of the body, make it one. Experience oneness. Unity is strength. A beautiful strength. Enjoy oneness and chant Om. Let us stretch in one breath. Feel the shifting of vibration from lower body to upper body and enjoy the relaxation. Take a deep breath in. Slowly feel the existence of your mind by watching your breath flow. Try to look in, introversion. Don't recall any past memories. Don't worry about future. Don't swing your mind from future to the past or past to the future. Try to hold in present moment. Enjoy your breath flow and relaxation in this present moment. Provide enough rest to your mind and body. Relax your body and mind. Nothing else in your mind, only the present moment. Beautiful breath flow. If thoughts are coming, don't bother. Let it come, let it go out. Don't respond to anything. Try to be silent. And let your mind resist to all the stimulation from the outside, pushes and pullings. Let your mind enjoy the eternal bliss. That's your birthright. Expand your awareness. Try to feel more silenceness. Spreading of silenceness to the whole body. Enjoy the relaxation. Take a deep breath in, chant the Om sound beautifully and enjoy the bliss. Now gently move your toes and your fingers and your head right and left. Now bring your feet together first. Then stretch your right hand above the head. Left hand on your stomach. Bend your left leg as you exhale. Turn to your right side and start to watch your heart. Enjoy your heartbeats. Restore your heartbeats to normal. A beautiful relaxation signal on your right side. Take left hand support, breathing, get out. Don't take position. Sit in any comfortable posture. Padmasana, Vajrasana, any cross-leg posture. Keep lower back curvature, relax your shoulder. Let us finish the session with the ending breath. Join your palms in front of your broad chest. Take a deep breath in, chant Omkara beautifully. And gently massage your forehead, feather touch. And on your cheek, chin upward in direction. Enjoy the energy flow, refresh. And hold your palms in front of your face on 1 foot distance. Blink your eyes a few times. Look at your palm with fresh mood and smile. Dhanyavad.